Hi guys, this is Dr. P and we will solve together problem 25 from Math 3 EOC exam. So, it's given the triangle PMT and there are given some measure of the segment GH x plus 3. I already highlighted this segment to be easy for you to watch. Another measure of the segment PJ, so this distance PJ also is given, and the measure of JJ, so this segment is also given, and they are labeled with the same color. The question is, what is the measure of PJ? Of course, if you look at this figure, you see some labels here. I mean, these angles have the same label. In geometry, that means that these angles are congruent or equal. They have the same measure. That's why we say that the line MG bisects the angle M. The same thing is happened here. The line PG bisects the angle P. And also the line TG bisects the angle T because we see again the same label. So that's why this point of intersection of the bisectors, if you remember, it's called in geometry incenter because it is the center of the circle that is somewhere inside the triangle and tangent to the sides of triangle. But this is not the point here. But I just wanted to take advantage and to uh, remind you something about Incenter, why is important. But here, guys, even if you don't remember this property, the main property of the Incenter is that the distances from Incenter to the sides of the triangle, so these segments that are perpendicular are called distance to the sides, are equal. And as I told you, even if you don't remember, geometry is nice because you can use your intuition. If you look here, GH is equal with GJ. So that's why you are ready to set up the equation. So GH, that is x plus 3, should be equal with Gj, and Gj is 2x minus 1. How do we solve an equation? Just use and follow the pattern. Isolate x. So in order to isolate x, you can subtract from both sides x. So you get here, you cancel out the x, so remains 3 equals 2x minus 1x. You consider here 1x every time. When don't you see the coefficient of x means that this coefficient is 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, so remains 1x. 1x, it's like x, as we said before, and then minus 1. And finally, add 1 on both sides, so you get 4 equal x. So if you don't read the question at the final, you are happy that you finalize the problem. No, as I told you before, you read the question before submitting the answer. So what is the measure of segment PJ? So it's about PG is not about X. So if you look at PG, the length of PG is 4x plus 1. So you should just plug in instead of x, plug in the x that you found before. That is also 4. So you have 4 times 4 and then plus 1. And this is 16 plus 1. I mean it's